Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will teach you how to earn money by using Pandabuy. But first, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. What is Pandabuy, you may ask? Pandabuy is a shopping website where you can buy items from China and you can also sell those items. So if you shop with Pandabuy, you can resell the cheap items for more expensive offers. So it's basically very profitable for people who want to earn money. Just search for a product that many people may want and then advertise that product so you can resell it for more than how much you bought it for. You can place your orders here and then you can go ahead and resell them to other customers for higher amounts of money. So that's what people are mainly using Pandabuy for, and that's pretty much it. It's very simple, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.